so grateful for this trip. So grateful. And I have a new family now.
Yes, you do.
And I am just elated. You talk about the master of your life. When she said that, I had to reflect back because I'm retired. I retired years ago, but I kept coming out of retirement, going back to work. So I had no control of my life.
Wow.
But this last time I retired, I told them I won't be back.
Yes.
I have control of my life.
Yeah.
I have
Okay, thank you. That's a master, Mama.
I'm so grateful to my daughter. Because she knew I always wanted this trip. She made that happen for me.
Thank you, daughter.
All my daughter and my other kids, they all helped out. But she made this happen. I'm just grateful. And I'm excited. And as we were walking yesterday up in the mountains, we were walking and my body was trying to give out. And I told my body, no, you're going to get in line with my spirit.
Hey, talk to everybody. Yes. Tell everybody. Yes, it will. Every time. Oh, take your time. It's good. We're grateful too. Now, here's the conversation, family. Transformation is taking place. I'm not talking about rearranging change in your life. I'm talking about allowing the words of what Mama is saying to permeate your being and to just take your time. You're very gifted. I know you're from St. Louis, and whatever else you want to say about you can, and if you want to come back and say it later, you can.
Well, I thought about the children yesterday as we were looking at the children, and I saw. And so I said, oh my, I have a divine order that God has given me for these children to make some clothes and make sure they have clothes. So that's going to be my journey.
To make some clothes.
Make clothes for the children.
Talk to about your clothes making ability or gift.
I'm a seamstress. I've been a seamstress all my life, but that's not what I went into as my occupation. But I sew for people all the time. And so I knew that was a gift God gave me. So now I have a really divine meaning with the sewing for the children.
Yes.
That's what I thought about yesterday as we were there with those children.
Yes.
I'm all about you.
Yes.
I love children. Yes.
Daughter, get ready. Come on down. We got to see you. Hey, this little family. One of the things I really do love, and I really thank Bomani for this entrustment. See, there's no time in space and spirit, so time really doesn't exist. It's a man-made construct. We're spiritual beings living in a spiritual universe governed by spiritual divine laws. They're no coincidences. When we take the time to get to know each other instead of assuming that we do, we are one. And we have every gift we ever need to create a new heaven and a new earth right here, right now. And this is the beginning of it, daughter. We want to thank you for being you and for all that you have done and are doing. Okay, and if there's anything that you get that you want to bring to the group, please. You got great gifts. And now you have time to allow them out. You don't have to just keep doing. We're not human doings. We're human beings. And ontology is the science of the practice of being. So don't be afraid of the stillness and the silence in the woods and the beauty of Africa. Yeah, you inspire me greatly. Thank you, my sister, myself, my sister. Here's Stephanie Holden.